Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in GateWala platform. As you guys know, whenever any important updates and information release, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on GateWala platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. So guys, as you know, lots of students are not able to perform well in the GATE examination, so we are trying to provide you other opportunities available for you, so you guys don't miss a chance to pursue your higher education from the good institutions. So there are multiple institutions are there who each and every year recruit based on without GATE scorecard. It means like they are going to conduct separate written test examinations, so you can fight that examinations and you can if you are able to shortlisted, then you can pursue your masters too. So if you talk about today's video, then IIIT Hyderabad announced their postgraduate entrance examination PGEE for monsoon 2025. It means guys like IIIT Hyderabad also recruit based on GATE scorecard, but for some courses they are going to conduct the separate their examinations, and according to these examinations they are also going to select the students. So guys, Masters of Technology MTech program admissions and Masters of Science MS and Doctor of Philosophy PhD program admissions are announced. MTech for 2 year, Master of Science by Research for 2 years, and PhD for 5 years. So if you are able to observe guys, minimum grade criteria is 60% or equivalent in qualifying degree, and here you can observe for MTech Computer Science and Engineering CSE, BE BTech ME MTech all branch students are eligible, and like CSE and GA paper you need to fight. So GA is General Aptitude, CSE यानी कि Computer Science Engineering, so you need to attempt the PGE test in a CSE or GA to join this particular course. Similarly, Computer Science and Information Security CSE and GA you need to fight. Civil engineering related course are also there, Computer Aided Structural Engineering, so civil and GA courses you need to fight. Production Design and Management PDM CSE and GA course you need to fight. MS and PhD Computer Science and Engineering CSE and GA course you need to fight. Electronics and Communication ECE and GA course you need to fight. Civil and GA course you need to fight. Similarly, PhD courses are also there, so you need to fight general aptitude test to join the PhD courses. So guys, the test examination date is 90th April 2025 between 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. your examinations is going to conduct in all over India, different state, different center. So center list is also available here, you can choose center accordingly. Next, if you talk about guys, application will open from 11th February 2025 from 5 p.m. and the application fees is 3,000 rupees, so you need to pay this application fees and then you will proceed further. So application portal, if you want to apply, then you need to visit for application portal, then post graduation course, then PGE MTech course, and accordingly you need to apply. And the detailed admission process is also mentioned here, so if you click on this particular link, then you are able to find out the tuition fees and the hostel and mess extra fees, and the loan is also available. So those students who are not financially strong, they can also take a loan, and accordingly they can pursue their masters too. So guys, IIIT Hyderabad announced their PGE admissions, so those students who want to pursue their masters and don't they already have a 2-3 year drops and not able to fight the GATE examinations in proper manner, they can join as soon as possible. And rest guys, I'm going to share this link and all the PDF exam pattern syllabus and every details in Kuldeep Sir _PW Telegram channel. You can join there, and if you need like preparation strategy video and other details, then definitely we will also try to provide you in a Kuldeep Sir _PW Telegram channel. And preparation strategy, if you need, you can comment in this particular video. Thank you so much. We will meet in another video with another update. Till then, goodbye, take care.